I know a lot of y'all probably be wondering, like, hey, Sean, like, I know you trade the inversion for value gap bet. What should I take? When should I take it and when shouldn't I? And I'm here to explain to y'all which ones you should. I mean, on which one you shouldn't. It happened during live time, and I was trying to make a video for y'all, but it was another trade that was happening, so I was like, I'm gonna just wait till after I get done trading to make the video. But as y'all can see on the daily, we have like this LRR right here, and I really wanted that to get ran, even on the 4 hour. So overall, my bias is bearish. We swept this high right here to the left. Let me draw it out for y'all. We took this high, and then we just started having a bearish reaction. So that led me to think, okay, we won't sell side, and we also inverse this for value gap right here to the left. So when we inverse this 4 hour, and I see we rejected this high, I wanted to target sell side, so I dropped down to the lower time frame. Let's see. Drop down to the 1 minute. So when I dropped down to the lower time frame, I was more so looking for like some type of run up to then maybe run back down. So let me go on bar replay. Hold on, y'all. Oops. Nah, not that. Come on, son. So what's today? Friday. So at 9:30, we had this run up, as you all could see. We ran up, taking this high right here, and I'm like, okay, so we just took this high. So I went over to the 30-second, and look what we have. It's a 30-second inversion right here. I'm gonna draw it out for y'all. It's right here. So in live time, I seen this, and I'm like, this not a bad trade. But I had to think, okay, so looking at this firsthand, it looks nice. Yes, it's very obvious gap. And you got the close right here on this candle at 9:37 with 30 seconds. So, but if you go on the 5 minute, this is always important. I'm gonna delete this box. This is just a 4 hour, the 4 hour box. But oh yeah. So, and I'm gonna delete this on us as well. So if you zoom out this low right here that I just drew out inside of a fair value gap as well. This low inside of a fair value gap. As you all can see, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see the fair value gap. Here's the fair value gap right here. So we have a low inside of a fair value gap. And as you all know, in my previous videos, I call these protected lows, secure lows, same thing. So basically when we take these lows that's inside of a fair value gap and we close with a swing low, it's very hard it's very rare that we go back and hit that low without taking some liquidity to the upside. And vice versa, if we have like a high inside of a fair value gap, like kind of like right here, and then we come and take it on this high, it's not a good liquidity target to retarget this high that just took a high inside of a fair value gap. But that's a video for another day. So when I seen that, mind you, I'm gonna drop that down to the 1 minute. So when I seen that, I'm like, nah, like I don't wanna take that. And on top of that, okay, the 30-second close, that the 1 minute didn't close. So when trading the inversion for value gap, some of you all may be wondering like, okay, the 30-second close, but do the 1 minute, do I enter? In cases like this, and in general, it's just best to wait for all time frames to close unless it's just a clear target of liquidity, or it is just super, you have a lot of conviction, then I'd say okay, you could take it at the 1 minute close but the 2 minute didn't close. The majority of the time I wait for all closes, the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. It just depends on which time frame has the fair value gap and which one doesn't. But in this instance, the 30-second and the 1 minute has the inversion fair value gap. So with that being said, the 30-second closed, but I can't even look. I'm like, well, the 1 minute didn't close, and as you can see, at 9:37 we didn't even close, and we just instantly went back up, taking out this high again. And as soon as this trade triggered right here at 9:37, it just was an instant loss. So yeah, that's like a trade today. I was like, oh, I can make this a video about what not to take, because I show a lot of trades of what to take. So I just hope this video was helpful. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else I need to cover in this trade. Oh yeah, and we were very low. Like, we were in discount. Like, you don't want to take a trade. Oops. You don't want to take a trade while in discount. So that was just like another big thing I didn't like about this trade. Like, we were all the way like down here. Like, nah, you don't want to take a trade this low. So what I did was I just waited for like 50%. I just waited for like 50% or retracement of 50. That would have been your best option. And I don't know if y'all could see, but 50% also lines up with this swing high inside of this 5 minute fair value gap right here. So after we took this high, maybe we could have looked for some short then, but it looks like we didn't get it. Like, this 5 minute right here would have probably been nice if we would have got it after taking this high right here and hitting 50%. I would have preferred that a lot more than this 30-second, and the 1 minute didn't even close. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I got some more content for y'all. Just stay tuned, and appreciate y'all for watching.